Maya House by Obra Arquitetos in São José dos Campos, Brazil. The natural profile of the land has a slope with a 1.5-meter drop relative to the street. The house design sought to organize the relationship between the collective social spaces and the street in a more open way, while creating a sense of intimacy for the bedroom areas. Taking advantage of the land's slope, the strategy was to raise the floors of the social areas by half a level, allowing for a direct yet protected connection with the street. This approach also enabled the more private program to be placed on the lower floor, level with the rear of the house, with access to the garden. The garage was positioned at street level, creating an intermediate floor with strategic half-level connections between the bedrooms and the living room/kitchen. This distribution of levels and spaces aims to integrate the program in a way that is both open and fluid, while also creating spaces with specific, comfortable characteristics. The staircase design, with its multiple landings, connects the spaces and enables circulation through the house's spatial arrangement.